to the window, sleeping on the couch.
You have to turn it up a little bit.
That's when I knew that I could never have you.
I knew that before you did. Still, I'm the one who's stupid.
And this is burning like there's always been. I've never been so alone, and I've never been so alive. Distant view on a motorcycle, drive by the cigarette ashes, lies in your eyes, and you don't mind. Smile and say the word, it doesn't fit with you. I don't believe you. You're so serene. Turning into the universe, your life is unreal. Then this thing, I hope you take me to me too.
Go out of my playhouse.
Things I'd like to do that you don't believe in. I would like to feel something, but you never see it happen. And this is burning like Brian's left testicle. Brian's other testicle is out there, and he doesn't have a side of balls. Diary would see through that, and this is the last time we'll be friends again, and I'll get over you. You won't know who Brian is.
And there's this burning.
It's like there's always been.
Ready, Tristan? I've never been so alone.
I've never been so alive.
Ready?
So alive, yeah. Still going.
This is gonna be a long video. Thinking of you again. When the dark flies, sun comes down in my eyes.
Take me away.
Since you don't know it, we record this. So alone.
Got it. Got the whole deal.
Never been so alive.
Hold it. Hold. Smile. Smile. Yes. And record ends. We'll edit it. I didn't stop.